Hello, my friends. Today I want to talk about robotic and automations. I have three questions about this topic, and question one is how robotics and automation will change the logistic industry. Question two is how delivery and shipment operations will or might be affected for retail, pharmaceutical, and healthcare orders. My last question is how will the last mile delivery operations affected or be affected by robotics? By the way, before answering these questions, I want to talk about robotics and automation briefly. Automation refers to using some technological resources to perform tasks mostly done by humans. These technological resources are physical machines, computer software, and other technologies. Robotics goes through the process of designing, using, and creating robots for a specific tasks. One of the biggest challenges facing the logistic industry is labor availability. It's not easy for companies around the world to find high quality employees to move goods from suppliers to customers. One of the factors that makes this difficult is the low number of logistics staff to ship more packages. Another factor can be described as the decrease in the labor force due to the decreasing population in the West. Today, progress is being made in robotics and automation. 80% of logistic activities, including warehouse organizations, have not been fully automated. These activities are carried out with classical method and semi-autonomous activities. According to predictions made, robotic activities will be more active in the field of logistics in the coming days. It can be predicted that robotic systems will be preferred more as the prices are appropriate. One of the biggest problems in the logistics is storage and storage costs, and robotic autonomous system can benefit at this point by reducing manpower in the coming years. Before going on the second question, I would like to give some information about that question. ABB is leading a global technology company that energizes the transformation of the society and industry for a more productive and sustainable future. ABB success continues today with a 130-year traditions of excellence with almost 110,000 employees in more than 100 countries. Selective compliance articulated arm. This is the meaning of SCARA. I will talk about shortly in second question. Pharmaceutical companies need solutions that can increase the efficiency of their operation and control their costs. Automation completes existing and recurring process in up to 50% less time. Increased production efficiency through automation helps security personnel. SCARA robots are a good example for that. SCARA robots, which can be mounted on a tabletop and have a small footprint, fit well into limited space specific to pharmaceutical facilities. These robots are used for tasks such as picking, placing, and part transfer. Robots are used to minimize personal contact with harmful substances and personal safety is provided. With the growth of e-commerce, automation solutions make cost-effective logistics more and more possible for the pharmaceutical industry. Apotea, Sweden's largest online pharmacy, delivers more than 170,000 packages each week to its customers. Since he installed 3 IRB 4600 general purpose robots that were tested with splitting 35,000 packages into designed cages for distribution per day. It has seen a 30% increase in efficiency. According to ABB's own research, it's estimated that it will reach mostly 60,000 non-operating room medical robots in the global market by 2025. As e-commerce becomes more widespread, expectations for faster and more affordable deliveries increase for last mile. Global delivery costs, excluding collection, transportation, and sorting, reach 17 billion euro as a result of research. China, Germany, and the USA make up more than 40% of the market. According to the data obtained from the article published by the Logistic Management, the last mile delivery covers 28% of the total logistic costs, and it's the most expensive part of the e-commerce process. There can be many difficulties with last mile deliveries. These difficulties might be damaged or stolen product, failed delivery attempt, and capacity shortage. Despite these setbacks, the last mile delivery encountered very few hitches during the creations of e-commerce. It is considered as an option where the last mile deliveries will be made with robotics in the near future. An autonomous vehicle is used to transport the packages to the targeted point during the trials conducted at this time. For the final delivery, it is focused on the distributions of robots from the vehicle. Delivery robots can reduce the density by working more efficiently instead of transport trucks during business hours. Many retailers view delivery robots as an advantage for customer service. As a result of my research, companies can make safer shipments at less cost by using robots for the last mile delivery. I shared you some data about robotic and automations. My thoughts are that the development of technology will be of great benefit in robotics and automation for the coming years. Thank you for your interest. If you like this video, please press like button.